Hey guys, massive Temu haul. But this is part one because we have the second half of the package coming. Look at the size of the thing. This is so heavy. Should we measure how heavy it is?
I don't know. Just open it.
Okay. Let's dig in. So, this weekend is my confirmation. So we've ordered a bunch of stuff for it. And you're probably wondering, what the hell is a confirmation? So a confirmation is a Christian tradition in Norway where it's basically a coming of age ceremony when you turn 14 or 15. I think this is the whole package, honestly.
Wow.
And
one. How many items it was?
Ooh, my nail stuff.
Yeah.
I think this is the whole package. My nail tips. Oh my god, the nail pastel.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna become a nail tech. Watch me, okay?
Yeah.
The nail drill. No, this is not the drill. This is the magnet stuff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open all these things and test them for you.
Yeah.
And then, like, soak off thing. Okay. And then some nail art tools. And guys, if you want to come back and see me testing and showing you guys all these things and trying on stuff, then you better come back to part 2. Okay?
Oh, this is a big
flowers.
Wow.
Ooh! Oh my god, it's my mini UV lamp.
Yeah.
Okay. First pair of pants. These are a medium, like stripy, baggy pants. I really need pants. And this is probably hair, something with hair. I don't know.
Yeah.
My
Mother
mom's
says. Yeah.
thing. Oh, it came with one too. Nail hand pillow. Oh, guys, what the hell? And then, okay, some cuticle oil because every nail tech needs this, okay? And then, oh my god,
Yeah.
you see
So your
this?
tool bag?
It's my tool bag. And then, huge soft gel tips.
Yeah.
You see this? Flowers for decoration for my confirmation.
Yeah.
And then, oh, this is tiny, nail glue. Wait, that's really small. It's tiny.
It was bigger in the picture.
Yeah, and then here I have, oh yeah, this is the magic gel remover. Me and my mom bought this. It's like a thing that removes your nail gel automatically. This means I can test these products on you tonight.
Yeah. Tonight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, do we have time for that?
I don't know.
I think so.
We can be cooking while we are doing it.
And then these Sage, my Chinese skill. Okay, next we have the Sage, which is, it's really popular. I was on TikTok and I was watching, like, these are, like, the most popular nail products on Temu. And I saw this and I was like, okay, I ordered it. Bring. And then second, gel nail polish thing, which is with reds and browns. And that was it, guys. So, if you want to come back and see us unboxing everything, then you better come to part 2. And please subscribe, because why are you guys not subscribing? Hello?